Hi friends, today in this video we are going to create a website like IndiaMART. As you can see, this is the website which we are created, and it's same as the clone copy of an IndiaMART website, and it have lot of functions, and also you can add more features to this website. Actually this is a demo website, so I ordered some limited features only. You can also add more features other than the IndiaMART. And when a user come to our website, and they can see the product options are like this, and this is completely a multi-vendor or multi-seller website. So a seller can come to our website and they can sell their product like IndiaMART platform. They can see, a customer can see who is selling the particular item, and they can send the message, they can chat live, and they can also see the seller profile, store location, etc. on our website itself. So a customer can see the followers and all the details of a particular seller they can see, and they can also send inquiry on our website, and also they can chat on our website. Also they can say the wholesale prices here. When the customer click on the wholesale price, they can see the wholesale price here. They can see the wholesale price of the particular product, and they can request a code option is available, so the customer have to log in for that. So if the customer does not have an account, he can log in with the or register on our website. A registration option is available, so click on the register option, and the customer can see the register form here. Once they enter into their login details, and they will get a dashboard, and there they can manage all their account details like their inquiries, order forms. They can view their order forms and everything they can see here. And the chat box option is available, so they can see the chat box etc. on their dashboard. A customer will get like this a dashboard on our website. Also they can just click on the request a quote option. They can see the inquiry form here, so they can ask for something on the inquiry form like the delivery days or whatever the inquiry they can enter there, and the quantity of that particular item, how much quantity they want, they can enter that. Once they complete that, they can click on submit. After that they can go to the chat now option is available, so the customer can directly contact through vendor on the chat box. Actually the vendor is not available now, otherwise they can see a live chat option. So like this the customer can chat with the seller who is the selling the particular item. They can chat with them on here like this. Like this option is available here. Okay guys, now just closing that. All this chat and everything the admin can view on the admin dashboard, and the seller can, a customer or a visitor can sell on our website like this. On this menu they can see the vendor registration form here. They can complete the details, and they can just click on the confirm option, and they can register as a vendor on our website. Once they enter the registration form, they will get a dashboard like this, so they can complete these store setup options. They can set up the options like this. They can enter the logo, banner and all other details like this, and they can enter the map here. If they can select the exact location, they can be already just integrated Google Maps, so the customer will get the exact location of their shop or office, whatever. They can just enter here like this as you are seeing in the video. Once they completed that, they can also just drag and drop to the exact point location, and they can just click on continue. Once they complete that, they can set up the payment setup here. All other setups are optional, and you can just enter according to the requirement, according to the policy. They can enter the social media platform. Once everything is done, a customer will get like this a dashboard. You can also set up some extra options like the admin approval for the new vendors or new sellers. By default I just entered like this. Okay, we can go into an active account of a seller like this. We can enter into the store manager option, and this is an active account of a seller which have products and everything. So once you enter, you will see a notification option, so the customer or the vendor can see the notifications, so they can see the new messages and everything on the notification section. So they can see a new message for a particular product, they can see that there. So once the customer click on the message section, they can see the inquiry form here which we created just now. They can see the quantity and inquiry for what, everything they can see here. After that, the chat option also, when we can see here, chat option is available, so they can see the chat options here. All the chat options they can see here, so you can reply from your dashboard like this. You can enter this dashboard and you can also just enter the details and everything. Now go to the product section and you can manage all your products from here. You can see the product options here, and you can add the new products, or you can just edit all the existing product from here. Once that you have finished that, you can also create a new product. You can click on add new, and this method is for all the sellers who are come to our website and they can register, and they can do like this for all the sellers. So the admin does not need to add for all the product this like this, so it's easy for you. And you can also set up a membership, so you can add some memberships for the sellers, so you can earn some money from that. Okay guys, once you completed this, all these details of adding the product like description, short descriptions and images, etc. here, you can see all the details here like shipping and everything. You can add some product image for the particular item. You can add some images. And you can just click on select. You can also add some other images for that same product. And the main function of this website is it's all in catalog mode, so the customer cannot check out. It's a complete B2b system, so there is no a WooCommerce checkout or payment option. But if you want, you can just enable that also, but on this website we are not enabling that. Okay guys, now this is the product section of that particular product which we added. Now you can see everything is working. So now we can go to the video and check how we can create this website. Okay guys, in order to create this website, first you need a domain and hosting. Domain means a website name, and a hosting means the first space for keeping all the website files. So first you have to check on the domain name on the hostinger.in. This is a very good hosting company. You can just trust this company, and you can check for a domain name, that means your website name. You can get a good website name. This is a demo website, so it's available. So just click on add to cart, and you can you can also buy a hosting. So when you buy a hosting, choose the premium web hosting, so the rate will be changed according to the season. So sometimes it will be greater than this, or it will be less than this. Okay, anyway, choose the premium web hosting and adjust a time length here, and you can just click on checkout now, and you can enter your Google or Facebook account, and you can just log in, and you can complete the payment options with the UPI, Paytm, etc. Here select the UPI method, or whatever the payment method, you can just complete the payment method, and you will get a control panel and a dashboard for completing the hosting, or you can set up the hosting settings. So it will be mailed to your registered email address. So once you complete the payment details, you will get a hosting panel like this. So just go to that hosting section or your control panel section, and you can install WordPress on that website which we brought now on your domain. Select the auto installer option from the list and select WordPress, and you can enter all the details like this as you are seeing in the video. You can complete all the details and click on install, and WordPress is going to install on your website. Okay guys, now this is the default WordPress website which we are installed, and now we are just going to convert this website into our B2b website. This is the dashboard of our website, and you can see the dashboard. Go to the appearance section, click on themes, click on add new, and you can upload a premium theme. The link of this theme I will give in the description box below. You can just get it from there, and just click on install now and wait for some time to get install the theme. Once you install the theme, just click on activate and just complete the setup theme installation setup, and you can just finalize all these things and choose the page builder as Elementor and install and activate all these important plugins. Once you activated all these plugins, click on next, and you can import some demo content for your website. So you can just import the demo content. In order to start from the scratch, you can just choose the demo content here and click on import and wait for some time to get import. If it fails, just re-import again, no issues, and click on next step, and you completed the website demo content, and just refresh and you can see the changes here. Yeah, your website demo content has been imported successfully, and you can see all the details here. Everything has been successfully imported. Now we can start the customizing our website. We need to add some more plugins for our website. So go to the plugin section on our website, click on add new, and type WCFM, which is a multi-vendor plugin, and you need to install this plugin on our website. Install all these 3 plugins WCFM. Also we need some additional plugins also, but you will get all this on the description box below, so you can just get it from there. A premium plugin for the WCFM you will get from there. Okay guys, once you install this, activate all these plugins together like this as you are seeing in the video. Just activate all these 3 plugins. After that, go to the plugin section again, just click on add new. You can upload the premium plugin here, WCFM add-on. Just install that. The link for this plugin and the theme I will give in the description box below. You can just get it from there. And when you choose a hosting, just choose a premium web hosting, because then only everything works perfect. Okay, once you install this plugin, just activate the plugin and go to the Woocommerce and do some basic settings. We don't need to do much on the Woocommerce because we are not selling the product directly to the customer. It's a B2b and a catalog mode, so you don't need to change much settings on WooCommerce. Just change the country, currency, etc. here. You can just change all these things here. You can change the shipping locations and shipping options and the general options here. You can change all these details here. Choose the country. You can choose the locations. And change the currency here. Once you make everything changes, click on save changes, then only the changes will be take place. After that, go to the product options, and if you want, you can just enable or disable according to your requirements. But as this website we don't need much changes, so just leave it as it is. You can add the shipping regions, shipping locations, but as I told you, we are not selling on this directly to the customers, so we are just leaving all these options. But if you want, you can just enable. That is not an important thing, and you can just complete these setups as you are seeing in the video. Once you completed that, we can just change the logo and the header options here. Go to the theme settings and the Woocommerce settings here. They can see two settings. Select the header builder, and on the header builder section you can change complete your header settings here. And you can see the star option is the default header. So when you click on that particular section, and you can just edit the logo, menus, etc. here, and the menu title, and you can just add some logo images here, and you can just add the logo height and everything. And if you want, you can use the sticky header options, and select the mobile layout, and you can set a mobile logo here. You can choose the mobile logo here. Once you complete that, click on save and click on save header. Once you complete that, you can go to the mobile menu options, and you can change the mobile menu options here. You can choose the menu here and choose the logo here. You can change the categories, menus, etc. For each menu, you can just click on that particular section, or if you want to change a particular section, you can just delete and you can add, and everything is optional, and it's depend upon your designing, right? You can change the color of the header section, and once you changes everything, click on save and just refresh, and you can see the changes here. Yes, everything works perfect. Now we can check how we can edit this footer section. In order to do that, just go to your dashboard and go to the appearance section and widgets section, and you can see some footer column widgets here. Up to footer 5 you can change all these things. So when you select a block, you can see some HTML blocks are available. So select on that particular block on the video as you are seeing like this. Select the HTML block menu and just type footer section. Which menu is used, you can just search on that particular search bar, and you can see the HTML block there. So you can just edit with the Elementor. So click on edit with Elementor, and you can change the footer logo here. Once you make the change, you can see the changes on the direct website. So you can just change this, and you can also change all the contents like phone number and everything. You can change from there. Just click on that particular section and you can just edit. It's very simple and super easy. Once you make the changes, click on update. Okay guys, now Like this you can edit all the HTML blocks like promo pop-up, and all the HTML blocks you can add it, or you can just create new HTML blocks. And go to the appearance section and click on menus. Here you can edit all the menu options. If you want, you can just click on create a new menu, just click on there. You can just create a menu here, select a new menu option here. You can just add a menu name and click on save. Once after the saving the menu, you can just add all these pages. You can add new pages to your website, and you can change the navigation labels. You can just drag and drop or adjust all these menus. Once you make that, just show the display locations where you want to show the particular menu and click on save, and go to your website and just refresh, and you can see the changes here, right? Okay guys, now we can just click on the customize option, and you can change the basic settings of your website like the site name, etc. Here you can just go to there, and you can say the site title, tagline, etc. After that, click on publish. Once you upload the image, you can just crop the image, or you can just adjust the image length, and you can make it the site icon, and just click on the crop section. Once you complete that, you can just click on publish and just close that, and you can just change all these options on the customize section also. Once you complete that, close everything, and now we can edit the page with the Elementor page builder. Click on the edit with Elementor option, and you can edit all the sections of your demo content, and you can customize according to your requirement. You can change these images. You can just click on the particular section you want to edit, just click on there, and you can change the images. You can add some images. Just click on the section you want to edit, and you can edit that. And if you want to add some sections, you can just add like this. You can select and just add the text block here, and select the text block. You can just add some textures here, and you can just redesign the text here as you are seeing in the video. You can just add HTML links to other sections or other products. You can just add the links. If you want to edit any section, just click on that particular section, and you can see the edit option on the left hand side. You can just change according to your requirements. You can change the images, textures, product data, etc. here. It's super simple and super easy. Once you make any changes, make sure to click on the update section, then only the changes will be take place. Okay guys, now go to the marketplace section, and we can check how we can edit the WCFM options. This is the important section of our website. So go to the modules section, and you can see all the modules are on here. If you want, you can just turn off the particular section or the module here, and go to the marketplace settings, and you can change the settings according to your requirements. It's super easy and simple step, so you can just enable or disable according to your requirements. You can change the icons sold by position. If you don't want, you can just hide that, and you can change the default logo, default banner, etc. here. You can change everything, each and every options you can just enable, disable here. And on the geolocation settings, which is next, click on there, and you can choose the OpenStreetMap or Google Map. So you can enter Google Map API here, and you can enable or disable these options here. If you click on the enable this auto filter option, your website will be GPS enabled, because when it will take the GPS connection and it will auto GPS. So you can just enable that if you want. Once you enter the Google Map API key, if you want the Google Map API key, just check on the description box below. You can get the Google Map API key from there. And on the commission settings, you can enable the commission settings here. All these options are very easy, so you want to enable, just enable or disable according to your requirements. As this is a B2b website, so we don't have much things for this WCFM settings also, like the payment shipping method. So if you want, you can just enable that, but it's depend upon your business plan, etc. Here you can registration form fields, you can enable this store registration settings, you can enable the registration form fields, you can just enable, and you can also add some new fields here. After that, click on save, and you can change the basic styles or basic colors of our website or the dashboard. And the dashboard styles you can see here, dashboard pages, and make sure all the pages are on the correct, and you don't need to do anything because the default pages are on the correct location, so you don't need to change anything. Another important thing is this chat box option, and you can use the Firebase or Talk.js. We are now choosing Talk.js because it's simple and but it's costly. So on any other video I will show you how to integrate Firebase for free, but on this website, on this video, we are just creating a account on the Talk.js, and we are just copying this app ID and secret key. But this is very costly, this Talk.js, but for the demo purpose I am using this. On the next video I will show you how to integrate Firebase for free. And the notification manager, you can enable or disable all these notifications here. And the inquiry settings, it's very important, so you can change the button label of the inquiry module. If you want to enable the require login options, you can just enable that. Reply attachment, if you want add some additional form fields, custom fields, you can just enable that. You can choose the test number, date, or whatever things you want to add, you can just add on the custom field section. You can add a label here, and if you want you can just add some extra custom fields also. Once you make the changes, click on save. After that, go to the next step, and this product type specific category setups, all these options are just according to your requirement. So if you want, you can just enable or disable all these options like store hours, etc. Each vendor can set up. After that, once you set up that, the store verification options are also available. Now you can add a demo store for the testing purpose. You can add the username, email address, and the general settings options. You can add the store name, store slug, and some basic images like store logo, banner, etc. You can add some details like this. You can just add all these details. You can add some logo, banner, images, etc. and click on select, and just complete the submit option, and this vendor is add like this. You can also add the store locations. As you are seeing in the video, you can just add the store location, select the store location. You can add any exact location because we already integrated Google Map API key, so you will get the exact location of your store. So This is a default location, so a vendor can choose the exact location. Just drag and drop everything and click on submit. So a new vendor has been added to our vendor list or a seller list. Okay guys, now a seller has been added on our website, and click on the store vendors option, and you can see all the available vendors here. And now you can see the vendors list here. Now go to the product section, and also we can add a new product. Click on add new, and here you can add a product name, and you can add some descriptions, short description, etc. here from the admin side. This is for the testing purpose, but when a new vendor or a seller register on our website, they can just add a product from their dashboard, so you don't need to add anything. You can just give a product approval option, so when a vendor submit a particular product, you can give approval for that option product. So these options can be enabled on our website. Okay guys, now we just added a product on our website. We can see this is the website, or this is the product, and we added. Now we can edit this product page like IndiaMART. Okay, in order to do that, go to the theme settings. Here on the theme settings options, you can change all the theme settings here. You can click on the single product option, or if you want to change the footer option, you can just click on the footer options here, and you can change all the copyright textures and images of the footer here. Like this, you can change all the basic settings of our theme on the theme settings. Now just click on the single product option, and you can see the sidebar option here. Also you can see all these options. Select the 2-column right, select that sidebar for just designing our product page, and you can also select all these options according to your requirements, and just click on save options. Now our product page options are designed. Now just go to the plugin option, and just click on this disable Gutenberg plugin and install and activate this plugin, because it will disable the block option, and this is very good for editing and everything. Now just click on activate, and now just go to the appearance widgets option, and now you can see the single product page widget area. Here you can just add some required information like the IndiaMART, so you can add an image like the IndiaMART, or whatever options you need to add on the single product page, you can just add on this widget section. By default, like this, I am just creating an IndiaMART model website, so I am just adding this image. You can add your own images, badges, etc. here. Just go to the product page and refresh, and you can see the changes here. You can see that particular section is available here, and like this you can add the vendor info. Just go to the vendor info options on the widgets area as you are seeing in the video. You can just click on add widget area, and you can see the vendor option here, and you can just drag and drop like the menu options as we did on the earlier section. Now just refresh, and you can see the images like this and the vendor section. Okay guys, now we can go to the next section. Now just copy this code in order to create this catalog option. Go to our website. The link for this link for this option I will give in the description box below. Just copy this code and you can paste it on your function.php option of your theme. Just copy this particular code and go to the appearance, and you can see the theme file editor. Just click on there. Now you can go to the functions.php, select that function.php, and you can paste that particular code. Just scroll down and you can just scroll down and you can just copy the function.php file. Just paste it there, because this code is for changing the global catalog mode, so the customer or the vendor does not need to do anything. They can just enter all these details and it will be automatically change our website into a catalog mode, so a customer cannot directly purchase from the vendor, right? Okay, that's all. Now we can add a plugin and we can install the wholesale prices rate like this. So in order to do that, go to the plugin section, click on add new, and you can install the wholesale B2b options on the plugin list, and you can see install and activate this plugin. You can just activate the plugin here, and you can go to the plugin settings. You can see on the left hand side wholesale section, click on the settings option here, and you can just click on the price option of the settings of that particular plugin. You can change the wholesale price text, hide retail price, always use regular price. All these options you can enable or disable according to your use. You can change the price range. You can add some extra textures there, and if you want to show wholesale price to all users, non-retail users, you can just add. You can integrate your Woocommerce API here. Just click on auto generate, and the consumer key and consumer secret is automatically generated and added to this plugin. Once you make all the changes, you can change this custom text for this. Like this, you can add whatever things and click on save changes. Once you make the changes, you can go to the tags option. You can also edit the tags options, and you can just enable or disable these tags options according to your requirements. And now we almost completed our website setup, but you can also add more functions other than this. You can customize or you can add more features, and all the resources used on this website I will give on the description box below. You can get it from there. Okay guys, thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. If you have any doubt, you can ask on the comment box, or you can just contact us on Facebook. Thank you for watching the video.
you.